Alright guys, so with this video I just wanted to show you real quick the black carbon fiber skin that I currently have on my OnePlus 9. So you know I got this from SopiGuard. SopiGuard, I absolutely love their skins. They did send this to me free of charge for my unbiased opinion and review. So I did do one of the honeycomb skin, which you can follow the card up above on for that one. But I just wanted to show off the look of the black carbon fiber on the actual OnePlus 9. I think it looks super good. It looks fast, it looks sleek. Absolutely love the cutout there, so you can see that shining OnePlus logo coming through. As you can see here, I did add the camera bump as well on there, and so the carbon fiber lines match up perfectly with this particular one. I did apply it with a blow dryer after I put it on, so that way I could get the corners and everything nice and easy and smooth, so that way I'm not feeling anything sticking up. But all around, guys, the OnePlus 9's skin fits perfect on this particular phone. This is my second skin I've installed on this phone, and so far they've gone on very easy, especially the camera bump skin, because of these bigger lenses. It just makes it a heck of a lot easier to match up the cutouts right there, and then this third lens and the flash just kind of seamlessly go on as well once it's put on. But yeah, I just wanted to show off the skin. So this skin, like I said, is from SopiGuard. That's SopiGuard.com. It is $8.99 for the skin. They do ship out of California, so if you do buy it, depending on where you're at in the United States, you should be able to get it in 2, 3, maybe 4 days. I live in Texas. I get them in 2 to 3 days, depending on how early I order it. And with shipping, you're gonna add maybe $2 or something like that to it. They are very affordable with their shipping costs. But like I said, $8.99 for this. You get the skin. You can pick if you want the OnePlus logo cut out or not. And you can pick if you just want the back only or wraparound, which for me, I only do back only skins. That's just me. That's my personal preference. Comment down below, let me know if that is your preference or if you prefer the more fully wraparound. But I just like having the traditional look of the phone on the sides, but then having that back protected from little scratches and things like that if I do decide not to put a case on the phone. But like I said, quick shipping, very good quality, definitely recommend them, no doubt. So I will put my affiliate link to Amazon as well in the description if you do want to buy this on Amazon. If you do click that link and buy anything on Amazon, you are supporting my channel because I do earn a small commission from those types of clicks. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, sub, and obviously ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. And be safe out there, and we will see you on the next one.